Okay, it's time to change these rear lower control arms from factory to K-tune. Gonna put these suckers in. Let's go. So we got 3 bolts, actually 4 bolts to deal with. One on the body, strut, and the knuckle. And then sway bar end link. Little comparison and contrast, or no, I mean little comparison. Make sure everything lines up. Uh-oh. And it does not. That sucks. Well, the good news is the strut has a little bit of play, so we might be all right. I was assured that these 94 and up Integra lower control arms should work, because the theory is Acura hasn't changed their lower control arms since the 2nd gen Integras, so as long as I could get it in there, I don't care. Too lazy to look for my pry bar right now, so see if I could tap it in. Okay, pry bar. Looks good. Just need a little more oomph on the gun. So there is 3 sway bar bolt holes, and the sway bar doesn't want to line up with any one of them. So let's see if I can manipulate it. All right, hopefully I could, since I'm gonna preload the suspension anyway, do it the right way. Hopefully it'll help bring that those holes lined up a little bit closer so I could thread it up. If not, I'm sad to say I'm not going to use these control arms, but I want to. Okay, where are we at? We at least a little bit close. Oh, almost lined up, just a little bit to the left. I got it in there. Couple threads, so let's see what happens when I zap it in. Hopefully on the other side I could do the same thing. I'm only gonna record this side though. I'll let you know if I have trouble with the other side. All right, we are in. Just got to put this little backing plate, dust plate. I should just leave it off for power to weight. Maybe I will, but then I'm actually bringing this to the track. Yeah, I don't think I want pillows coming in here. All right, maybe we'll put it on. But damn, first time having aftermarket lower control arms. Looks good. I just hope the other side goes in smoothly. One thing I forgot to mention, it's definitely lighter than stock and pretty sturdy, hopefully, but we'll find out on Saturday when I run this at Verona drag strip. Just running the bracket class, nothing serious. I thought I was done, but I actually have to tighten this nut right here. where the strut goes. All right, that was easy. 4 bolts each side. We are good to go. Lower control arm for 93 Integra. Actually, it says for 94 and up, but I was told it should fit, and it did. So let's see how they function. All right, heading back to burrow in a strip because we broke out last time. We were able to shave 0.3 seconds off of the time. So now we just got to find out what it does. Running late again as usual, so we got to do test and tune. All right, we made it to tech, but I think they closed down test and tune. It's not the end of test and tune yet, right? Yeah. So, okay. All right, looks like we do have time to do test and tune and hopefully get the slicks on and join this gambler bracket or gambler race bracket, whatever they call it. So we got time. Oh, there goes the homie, Kenny. Oh, what's up, bro? Where's your car? Did you bring it? Oh man, I was gonna put it on the channel. All right, we gotta hurry up. We might as well join into the gambler.
20 bucks, 20 bucks.
Oh, 20 bucks? Oh, never mind.
20 bucks.
I don't pay 20 bucks. You know where I could get touch-up paint for my RPF? No?
Gabriel,
Jason's about to run inside bar. Just hanging out. I'm anticipating, I'm hoping we break out of that 10 flat. What?
I'm helping.
You're helping, yes.
Hoping.
You're hoping. Not bad hearing. Jason getting into game mode with his cool shirt from Japan.
Oh, I think I got it at that Spoon Fest thing.
Spoon Fest.
I did in LA.
Brother and son duo over here. Brother and son, but son and dad. Fooled me.
Yeah, but yeah, I threw him in the CRX when he was 15 and he decided he liked it, so he was like, hey dude, I want to build my own car.
Nice.
So he bought that with the money he earned
Dang.
when he was working at a pizza place.
Nice.
I bought this for $1,600 with the V20 in it. I pulled the swap out, and he had an HTV kit that he was going to use, but he didn't end up using it.
Oh,
so I
shit.
threw it in here, and stock H22 with the V16 transmission, it was throwing down 8.0s, consistent
Nice.
8.0s.
H2B swap. So what tranny is this?
It's pretty much like a Type R tranny, but there's
Type R.
face plated gears in it.
Oh.
So there's no synchros or nothing, so it's just straight gear to gear.
Oh shit. Who tunes the car?
TV Motorworks.
Oh, TB from down here?
Yeah.
Nice. Shout out to TB. So it runs a 6.8 in the 1.8. Were you here at Racewars last 2 weeks ago? Oh, I thought you were. Just test and tune, or you in the bracket? Just test and tune. What'd you run already? 7.6? Oh, it'll be faster. It's cooler now. What's your PSI set at?
Right now it's at par like an 8.
8? Dang. What's it running?
First pass, 7.4.
7.4? Okay. Probably 7 flat later on since it cooled down. Okay.
Next one.
Hold on. 11.7. All right, totally messed up that run.
I could tell.
I was trying to preload and I let go of the clutch a little bit too much. Anyway, that's why we're here, getting some dial-in runs.
This car?
It's RJ's car. You've been running this for a while?
I've been this one for about 5 years.
5 years now? RJ Simrock's car, his little dragster. Looks wicked. Yeah, oh yeah. Maybe. Oh yeah, it says his number on there. That is nuts.
Yeah, like when I raced that Audi, it was like, oh, shit, man, this shit was horrible. It's because I had such a bad reaction time.
Oh,
Yeah.
you just got you. But who cares? What was your time though?
That one was like a 10.
That was a 10?
Yeah.
Oh, that had nothing to do with the reaction.
I was really bad off the line.
That's all right. Yeah, but the reaction don't matter on your ETs.
Yeah.
Yeah, so at least you ran your car. Shit. Now you know where it's at. All right, so 10-1, consistent, I guess. I was hoping for a 9 something. Jason did good. What was your fastest time? 9 what?
44?
9.4? Damn, pretty good. I think there's wiggle room too. All right, James is here. He wanted to bring out his car, the EM1. All right, that's it for this practice. Talking about practice. All right, see y'all in the next one. Peace.